Hello, this is Shazad, and this video we are learning about the Python operators and that we can use in different situations. So let's get started. So first we have arithmetic operators, and with arithmetic operators, what we can do is can perform several arithmetic operations that that will like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These operators allows you to perform calculations with numbers and variables. So let's say we have a variable a and value 5 is assigned to it, and another variable b that is assigned as 10. And if you want to, we are storing it e plus b. Plus is the arithmetic operator, and we want to print it. Use the print command, and that is see what is we are trying to print here. So 5 plus 10 is 15. And what if we change it? We want to subtract them. We use subtraction operator, that is minus, and it is giving us 5. And for multiplication we use asterisk. Here we go. 5 tens 50, and for divide it 0.5. If we divide 5 by 10, we get the 5. And there is another float division method. That is the float division. For float division, we use double forward slash, and this particular operator we use to divide the first number by the second and return the integer part, the whole number of the result. So as we when we divided the a by b, we got the 0.5 result. By using the float division, we only get the 0. Here you go. And also similarly, we want let's say here we have 10, and below we have 2. Now if we want to find what will the remainder if we divide 11 by 2, for that we use a modulus operator that is denoted by percent, and we get 1. So 2 5 is 10, and 11 minus 10, we get the 1. And 1 is that remainder. So these were the arithmetic operator that we can use in Python. And other than that, we also have comparison operators. Let's explore them. So let's say we have variable a again, that is value is 5, and b is also 5. So if we want to compare them, are they identical? What we do is that we print a to b. Now what we are trying to find is a is identical to b. It will return as a Boolean variable. So as we know, these are the condition is true. That's why it's true. If we change it to give us false result, and if we say that a is not equal to b, this will be a true situation because a is not equal to b. We will get the return value as true. And if we want something like if we try to check if a is greater than b, this is the true. And let's say the A and B are both are have the same values, then in this question it will be false because A is not greater than B. However, if we add equal to sign, it will be true. And similarly, we can also use less than. This is true. And if we change it to 2, this will be false. So these were the logical comparison operators. Next, we are going to learn about are the logical operators. So let me add another cell here and comment it out. Let's say we have a value. Let me come up with some examples. Let's say we have x that is 5 and y that is 10. And for logical operator, we use operators like and, or, and not. And here we demonstrate how it is used in Python. If structure, I haven't made any video about it. This is a structure for conditional use for making a condition, putting a condition in the code. Okay, so we have let's say first we start with the and. Here we check if x is equal to 5 and y equal to 10, then what it will do, will print and works when both conditions are true. So as we know that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10, if we execute it, we'll get and works when the both conditions are true. So in this situation, the condition is true, but what if we change it like to true? One of the condition is not true anymore, so it will not execute this second line. So this is how and works. What if we put or here? So this will be a true. For or, only one condition has to be has to satisfy or has to be true. Let's see. Or works when where one condition is true. What if both conditions are false? Then in that condition it will not execute the below line. So here it is logically assessing these statements. So the other one is the not condition. So one let's hold on. Okay, let's change the scenario a bit. Just give me some syntax error. let's put not here, and not was, and condition is false. So when this condition will be false, then this line will be executed. Here you go. If change it to 5, now this line will not be executed because this statement is false. So not will cause it not to execute the will not satisfy the situation. So here we go. It's saying x is equal to 5, which is true, and when not is in the action, the not false when the condition is true. Sorry, this will be true. So when this equation is not satisfied, the result is false, and here with the not is in action, the situation become false, becomes true. Only then this will be executed. So these were the logical operators. Well, this is a bit tricky part. You have to evaluate it carefully. Let's understand it again. We have two variables, x and y. Both have we're just using in this situation. The x is equal to 2, and below here we have if not x equal to 5, then we will execute this statement. So x is equal is a condition. X is equal s and the comparison operator equal to 5 is a condition expressed that checks whether the value of x is equal to 5. Since the x is 2, as we know, this expression evaluates to false. This is false. So by introducing not here, it will, the not keyword is used to negate the result of the condition. So not x equal to 5 becomes not false, which evaluates to true, and only in that condition this print statement will work. And this is what exactly here is happening. So if we change it to 5, now this will be a positive true value, and by introducing not here, it will convert into a negative one. So this statement will not run because this does not satisfy the condition. So I hope you have understand this not logical operator. Okay, next we have assignment operators. As we know, as we already have been using this assignment operators, like when we assign a value to p, let's say 5, it is, and we print it, we know that the value of variable a is 5. But there are some other assignment way that we can assign a value to existing variable, like this a plus 0, and let's say, so it will be 10. So how it is happening? So what actually is going on here is that this equation is equals to a is equal to a plus 5. So we can also write this equation like this. So if we subtract here, the result will be 0. And let's say if we multiply it 25, and if we divide it using forward slash, it will be 1. 5 ones are fun. And if we try to find the 4 division, it will be 1. And if we try to find the, where to assign the modulus, you just have to add the percent sign and equal to sign. Here we go. So this is what the assignment operator, and different ways you can assign the values to a variable in Python. Next we have identity operators, and let's explore it, what it is. So let's say we have a variable a that is assigned 5 and another variable b that is also assigned 5. To check if they are check if two objects are the same instance, we use identity operators, which is actually, that is okay. So let's demonstrate it. And here we if check a is b, so what ideally it should be the answer. It's true, both are same. But what if I change it to 257 and 257? Now this will say it's false. So how come this is changing this behavior of the same variable? We just change some values in it. So actually what happens, identity operators in Python are used to check if two variables refer to the same object in the memory. So in this example, at the moment when I assign 257 to a and b, it's saying false. These are not referring to the same memory, is due to some reason. And because integer caching is not happening here, what the Python compiler does is that any integer value that is below 256, 0 to 256, is stored in a cache memory, cache, in the same cache. If two variables have any value that is under 256, that is reference to the same memory object. If it exceeds 256 integer value, then its separate memory is created for that particular variable. That's why it's saying these two objects are a is not b. So what it is doing, it is it's checking if two variables refer to the same object in the memory here. So this is the different, this is what identity operator checks in Python language. Next we have membership operators. In membership operators, we check that a particular member, check that the value, check if a value exists in a sequence. So let's say we create a list This will you will learn in the next few videos. This is how we create a list. And if I want to check if any of the value is in the particular list that is assigned to variable A. Variable A has 1, 2, 3 values. Well, now we can check it using the in keyword. So we check first 5 in A. It's false because 5 is not in this list. Let's put 2 in. The value will be true. 2 is in this list. So this is how membership operators work in Python. So this was all from the operators in the Python. So you have learned different types of operators that we can use in Python language. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe and comment if you have any confusion about this.